Welcome to this guided tutorial on cropping images into shapes in Figma. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the page loads, locate the login option placed in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this option will prompt you to sign into your Figma account. After selecting the login option, you will see an option to continue with Google. This option is designed to simplify your sign-in process by allowing you to use your existing Google account credentials. Go ahead and click on the Continue with Google button. You will then be presented with a list of your Google accounts, from which you should choose the account that you wish to use to sign into Figma. With your account now active, the next step is to navigate to the project where you plan to crop your image into a shape. Find and open your project. This project could be any design file already available in your Figma workspace, and it is essential to select the correct one where you intend to carry out the image cropping task. Once you are inside your project workspace, focus on adding your image. Locate the option to add an image and import the photo you would like to crop into your design. It is best to have your image file ready, ensuring it is in a format compatible with Figma, such as a JPEG or PNG. When your image appears on the canvas, take a moment to adjust its positioning if necessary to align it with your design's layout. Following the addition of your image, the next step is to add the shape that will serve as your mask. Bring in the shape you wish to use, such as a circle, rectangle, or any other polygon available within Figma's shape tools. Make sure that the shape is clearly visible on your canvas, as it will play a crucial role in how your image is cropped. After both your image and shape are present in the project, ensure that the image layer is positioned above the shape layer in the left-hand panel. This ordering is important because it determines that the image will be cropped by the shape below it. If the image layer does not sit on top, simply drag it above the shape layer in the layer hierarchy until the order is correct. Now that the image is correctly layered over the shape, use your mouse to select both the image and the shape simultaneously. To do this, click on each element while holding down the Shift key, which allows you to highlight both elements at once. With both items selected, right-click to open the contextual menu. In the contextual menu, look for the option labelled Use as Mask. Selecting this option instructs Figma to crop your image, fitting it into the confines of your chosen shape. Once the command is executed, your image will seamlessly conform to the outline of the shape, completing the cropping process. By following these steps carefully, you will have successfully cropped an image into a shape in Figma, enhancing your design with a creative and personalized element. Enjoy the simplicity and flexibility of Figma in shaping and transforming your design projects.